Okay, so it's morning in the bird room. I did a couple of changes. Okay, let me go get the light on. Alright, so couple of changes. In this cage I used to have the finches, but now I put 2 beds in there, and I finally got Peaches and Sunny in one cage. Let them out. So now they're there in that cage. And in this cage I got my 4 finches. In my blue house cage. Sunny used to be in here. Got my little Java tree that they hang out on. And this cage used to be in the middle, but now I switched these two. My lovebirds are in here. I got my 4 eggs there laying on them. And then I got rid of one cage, so I got my stool there where I sit. I got rid of his cage because now they're on one cage. And I got my parakeets in here. Eating food. I don't know if this is her egg, but she laid an egg in the food dish. I gotta get them new food. And then I got my cockatiels in this cage, as always. That's it. So all the updates. Alright, thank you.